If you have been wondering why your video views are not increasing, then you might want to check your video thumbnails. Since we all often judge a book or a video, in this case by its cover, before you start looking for other reasons for the lack of clicks and views to your video, it's important to first check your video cover, the thumbnail. Is it attractive enough? In this video, I'll walk you through some easy tips that will help you make your video thumbnails clickable. Hi, I'm Winston the Solopreneur Warrior, and in this video I'm going to show you 4 hacks that will help you make an attractive or clickable thumbnails for your YouTube videos. If you decide to watch the entire video, I'll also be sharing with you a cool tool that will help you easily put the 4 hacks together to make your video thumbnails stand out from your video competitors. But before we get into all that, let me know in the comments area below this video what tools you have been using to create your video thumbnails. And if this is your first time to this channel and you're interested in tips, strategies and tools on video marketing, you might want to consider hitting that subscribe button, and let's get started. According to YouTube, 90% of the best performing videos have custom thumbnails. It really doesn't matter if you're just growing an influencer channel or you are promoting an affiliate product with your videos. If it doesn't have an attractive thumbnail, trust me, it's losing views. Here are 4 hacks that will help you create an attractive and click-worthy video thumbnails for your YouTube video or for your affiliate product review videos. The first is, of course, using a close-up image if you want to use any image on your thumbnail. Close-up images are more effective as a thumbnail image than a wide shot thumbnail image. And the simple reason for that is because YouTube video thumbnail images display very small on smartphones, which is arguably where most YouTube traffic is coming from. So because the thumbnail display is very small on smart devices, it will be harder for viewers to get the details of the image if it's a wide shot image. Simple details like that can easily cause a viewer to skip your video without putting the effort to check the content. So for example, if you are using emotional images like somebody shouting or laughing or expressing emotion, with a close-up image, it will be easier for viewers to see the details. The second tip is, if possible, use a human face in your thumbnails. Usually, the human brain naturally focuses on faces. Everyone wants to see a person delivering a video content and not just a robot. So when you put a face in your video thumbnail, you are basically telling viewers that the message in the video is delivered by a person and not just a robot. It's just natural that people identify with people easily, and they always try to find a connection with already familiar faces. So which type of face can you use on your video thumbnails? A short glance at the top ranking videos on your search term will give you a picture of the type of images to use. You want to use images that convey emotions. Again, as humans, strong emotions kind of intrigue us and can easily make us take quick decisions, which in this case will be clicking through to watch the video. Now, the third tip is using a complementary color in your video thumbnails. Using contrasting colors will easily make your video thumbnail image stand out. Let me ask you this: have you ever wondered why danger signs always have these strong contrasting colors? Well, it's simple. People just have great sensitivity to contrasting colors. So personally, I would recommend that you use colors that are not commonly used by your video competitors whenever possible. The fourth tip is to always use text if possible. As you know, in some cases, images might not be enough to communicate your video message. Now, when using text on your video thumbnails, you don't just pack or congest everything together. If you decide to add text on your video thumbnails, try to use just focus words to communicate your message. So what do I mean here by focus words? Focus word really means the most important words in your video title. So for example, if your video title says how to lose weight fast, your focus word here will be lose weight fast. So try not to use more than 3 to 5 words. The more words you use, the more the text will take more space and it will be hard to read because it will look small on the video thumbnail. I just want you to think of your video thumbnail as a teaser for your YouTube video. In a video teaser, you don't have to reveal everything. Just give enough information to engage viewers so that they will want to click through and see what you're offering. Now, there are many little tips like this that can help you create an attractive video thumbnail that will easily get you clicks. You can easily use a tool like Canva and put all the tips I just shared with you in this video together and come up with an attractive video thumbnail. But that takes a lot of time. That's time you could use to create another video, and that's where Thumbnail Blaster comes into the picture. Thumbnail Blaster is an online editing app that is pre-populated with attention-grabbing YouTube thumbnails. You can edit these thumbnails to your satisfaction, make them as unique as you want in as little as 3 clicks. This is actually a fast and easy way to create video thumbnails for your YouTube videos. Thumbnail Blaster makes the process for making video thumbnails super simple by giving you many templates to choose from. Simply select any of these video thumbnail templates and start editing the text, the image, the size, and try to make it to fit your style for an eye-popping thumbnail that will get people clicking on your video. Just check out how in 3 steps you can come up with an attractive video thumbnail using the Thumbnail Blaster.
Hey there, creating breathtaking thumbnails that triple your views and traffic with Thumbnail Blaster is a piece of cake. The first thing that you need to do is select a video from your YouTube account. For this example, I will go with this video with my dog Hera. Now, the default thumbnail, well, it kinda sucks, so let's create a new thumbnail for this video using Thumbnail Blaster. All that you have to do is click on next, and as you can see, the artificial intelligence algorithm analyzed our video and suggested us 3 thumbnail templates. Of course, if you want, you can close this and select one thumbnail manually from the huge list that we have in Thumbnail Blaster, but in this case I will go with this thumbnail. It looks great. So I just click on load template and that's it. Thumbnail Blaster extracted our title, it downloaded the original thumbnail and customized the whole template for us. If you want, we can simply use it as it is and save it, but let me show you how powerful our editor is. First, I will change the fonts for this text. Okay, it looks perfect. I will also change the font for this and this. Now let me add a picture of Hera instead of this puppy. I'm just going to select the image from my computer. I flip it, resize it a bit, and that's it. Now I will also add one cool smiley face from our collection. I simply go to shapes, select emojis. Alright, this looks great. Let me rotate it a bit. Perfect. That's it. The thumbnail looks stunning, and let's save this and publish it on YouTube. That's it. There it is. The thumbnail that we just created in a few seconds is now published and active on our YouTube video. Now let me just open YouTube really fast to see how it looks. I'm going to search for Hera Boxer and here is my video. Now just take a look on how it looked before and how it looks now. Amazing, right? Take a look at all these other videos. On what would you click right now? On the one that has our thumbnail, right? The one that we just created. Well, you see, it's that easy to triple your click-through rate, your views and your traffic. So start using custom thumbnails on your current and future uploads and I'm sure you will see a massive spike in views and traffic. Now, if you want to find out more about Thumbnail Blaster, just click on the link below and check out all the amazing templates that we have and all the amazing other features. Now let me show you another amazing feature of Thumbnail Blaster. You have the unique ability to split test and find the best performing thumbnails for your video. This is a never seen before feature that will give you an unfair advantage over your competition. Now you simply start a new split test. Here you select thumbnail A, then you select thumbnail B, and you select the duration of the split test. That's it. Now Thumbnail Blaster will change the thumbnails automatically each hour and at the end it will select the thumbnail that got us the most views. Now I really hope you see the power of Thumbnail Blaster and how it can help you and your video marketing campaigns. You can check out all the features and more templates somewhere below on this page. I'm sure you will love this app. Thanks a lot for watching this video.